Etie for breaking news at Airbus here. Say Ghana for be him. Now, police for finally release the DNA test of the 4 Takrade girls. The remains are Yekunhu ye ewo Takrade no. Police for release the result of the DNA test. Now, etie for answer never to ask and subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that will screen to see here. And now me know what I say Ghana for a boy gidi because DNA reporter Abba. Police for police for through their acting IGP. There's a police penny what is so and your friend James upon Buenu. Now waba bonten and sema betu just say yes remains a yekunhu ye ewo man home no. Yes attack the girls see. Just say we take the DNA samples of the families of these Takrade ladies. Now when we say DNA reports no etre say woman remains in a yehu ye ewo man home. Just as no. The Takrade girls are not missing. They are no longer missing. And it is confirmed that the Takrade girls, no, they are dead. And only in police for the Babon TCC, many workers say breaking news are ever out this year. It is the Takrade ladies have been confirmed dead through the acting IGP. I don't want to bore you with reporter Wamodia Babon saying and it has a lot of technicalities in it. But me person me call into Ghana phone sema womo kan. Wo hwa Ghana fo dwaye, womo dwaye, womo bu afuye pa adresse. Nsema womo kan efa police phone na. Wo hwe nsema Ghana fo kan wo say yes, Ghana fo dwa. Na person me read some few comments. Will be say so painful to depart from this world this way. May their beautiful souls find eternal rest. I pray that the good Lord will help the hearts of their parents, not easy cry. And then the asema will be a day abeto about to say, say woman for a bompa ye shenya meaning say womba ebe return no. Sisi police will be confirm say momba no womu ewu. Na will be here say we enye easy cry. They say we try say what ne ho ebe she womu shoes no. Na hu no say asem way. Will be say, may their gentle soul rest in peace. May the good Lord keep their family strong through this difficult time. It's such a painful death. And only Asema will be so bad. So far, commenting about the album, say people are bringing in their condolences. Obisi, and this Nigerian kept quiet all this while. This guy is very wicked. May they rest in peace. And also, Asema will be Ekam. Obisi, sad day for Ghanaians. Just when we are trying to catch a breather from the horrible CSSPS, this one too comes up. Is this the best our leaders can do for us? Don't we as Ghanaians deserve better? God, rest in peace, beautiful souls. Inti asema ni pakuwe can say, and one more asebe, one more every JHS, one more SS, no school placing and a computerized placement system, no, and asem kesia efri ho aba ne sem kofu bebre kogu Black Star and Independence Square we couldn't attend to them and kofu bebre da honti nipa we ka sesa asem ne kra yen kan wie na sad news basisia may their soul rest in peace and any asema will be so obi say really sad. The bad Nigerians in Ghana should make sure that this should be the very last of its kind. They should not take our hospitality for granted. And only asema will be so will be so say we are aware they will tell us that they were just buying time. Oh, I'm a Ghana. Cry, my beloved country. I feel sorry for the families. We are not safe as a country. And Tiwa is still at post for deceiving us that the girls were in safe hands. When you say, will be so air cancer. Ni say, mo de beba bonten abetre say a young colano or mo DNA nebe confirm say yo mo. Na etie for mame Emma Munya Monti as say Takrade for. Womo eteki DNA won say DNA no womo your margin so me taking no families ni your margin say womo mpene because they had this conspiracy theory and they had this mindset say police for no person womo sheda eteki family ni DNA samples na womo de ba bonte be ka say womo nkola no na ewu what you say because wa wo hwe nsema abba say the police no are reacted towards this particular Takrade case now won say the police weren't fair. Enti no Takrade for any family no ehun say police for abotrimopo bi say womo de beba abonte abetre say eye womo mba no na sebe yehun womo remains no enti womo issue warning etre say some de ba abonte abetre say eye womo no mu ewu a ye beye demonstration kese bi wo Takrade a na tre say it was sort of a threat and a warning say massa some ko hu say eye womo kra mama mba abonte betre say eye womo But see, police for no, as profession demands no, they've been professional. One of the above bunting said the DNA test suggests another DNA test proves say a young kolai and I say you kumo a share man home. Now what we say, I am not surprised since the missing of these beautiful ladies. I felt devastated until now. May their souls rest well. And then I will be so eka. Now what share this particular story as a man go for be closure. You can closure say yes, a more closure say oh send ya na ye twen say nkolano we at least isi an ye nim say wo mu into no ebi mo esusu say this will bring some closure to the family, but I don't know. I would not like to put myself in their shoes, but this is a very very terrible situation. They will need psychologists. I think the family will actually need psychologists. They will be able to say, oh, so sad. May their gentle souls rest in peace. I only wake up and think about the end of a mortal being, of which we will all end up there one day. My condolences to the families. Winnie Asema will be Aka. Will be able to say, this is sad. We've been buying time all this while. See where it has brought us. My deepest condolence to the grieving family. So yeah. Ghana for bebre won same car, but woman na woman come on same we are na woman ashe family ne den. I think this is the right way to go. Obi say my soul cry for Ghana, lack of credible intelligence and proactiveness, too artificial. When you asema will be so eka, will be so say apu. We were even aware of the results before it was conducted. I pray and hope one day at least one of these girls will be found. Now just still will be Jindi say a young colano because the Bacone tre say police for answer na model result member bontekra ni enim say we na mobeba beka na wosusu say colano still they are alive now one day you be hu omo. Obi say since this story emerged, the moment we try to forget the story then breaking news come. You've kept us in the suspense. I hope the police are happy now. Rest well, little angels. I don't know how their families are going to receive this bad news. Ow, Amagana. When they are will be so eka, will be so say our hearts bleed. Oh, may God preserve their souls and uphold the sorrows of their parents to find ray of hope in torment times as these. Into which Brofosema will be a day bar, just a one also shedding now, but in or Nankasani way. Obviously say all along we knew this was going to be the outcome. If those girls' parents were politicians, there was no way it would take this long time and to this sudden end. When Asema will be say Nanka Sebe Nkolano Omawofo air politicians are Nanka woman jindi se ebeche se na me pese me twe ne pakona sem ana ne pakona nsem a woka me pese me twe na adwen eko Ghanaian MP eye JB Dankwa a ye kokun no ewo wona ne fie up to now still ni pakwa wodi sa nyamra nsem no ye sheda enche no emfa ne entu mu ye up to now nsem no koba sa yentumi conclude on that particular matter. It tells you that even the politicians can no eto de bia wo mo kra no woman asem no yentumi en conclude nti nipa kwa waka se wo susu se politicians ba na nka this time yehu omo no it's not always the case. Now we'll be able to say social media have paved way for anybody with bundle to just spew rubbish, calling someone's mother useless, shaking my head. And then the asema will be we'll be able to say Tiwa and also Bempa must be arrested. Into no osha CID Penny Tiwa still go for Ebonidin because she is on record to have said Nkolano woman be and they are safe and they will rejoin their family very soon. Now say about out say woman go to say integrity like I said Tiwa or resigning but and there me no say Tiwa she's still at post. Obi so they were try Tiawa was say sad not just say arewosem. Obviously, based on my intellectual capacity and my vast knowledge, tactically and tentatively, right from the beginning of times, especially in the masa, obviously say, where is the evidence to prove that the girls have been murdered? And then the asema will be so eka. Obviously say, Madam Tiwa said they knew where the girls are and they will be with their parents soon. So why this news? It's here for that's the news coming through. Very sad news. Very sad news. Extremely sad news. Most of us we were actually expecting say Nkolano results remember na enyomo but abewie am say we see you know na nkofo bebre so say Nkolano they don't think they are alive na montra madwo comment box mo tie for me da ase